Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get used to waking up early. It's actually easier than you think, and I'll be going over 6 easy things that you can do to get absolutely used to waking up early. I used to struggle to wake up anytime before 6:30, and now I wake up between 5 and 5:45 a.m. depending on the day of the week and what I have to do for that specific day. So these are the 6 things that have worked for me. Number 1 is to have a consistent bedtime. I believe that it's more important to have a consistent bedtime than a consistent wake up time, okay? You need to go to bed consistently even on the weekends. And if you wake up later on the weekends, that's fine, but you should have a consistent bedtime. It gets your body in the right circadian rhythm for being able to wake up earlier much more easily. Number 2, put your alarm far from your bed. I used to sleep with my alarm beside my bed, and I would hit snooze 5, 10 times in the morning. I'd get up like almost half an hour after my original alarm, okay? It was really, really bad. But in reality, and that means I'd have to set my alarm super early in order to get up on time. And it just didn't work out well because then I wasn't getting a good sleep until I woke up. I was setting my alarm half an hour earlier than it needed to be set because of the snooze button. If you put your alarm far from your bed so that you have to actually get up to turn it off, you'll just get into the habit that when you get up, you're not going to hit snooze. And even if you hit snooze, you're going to sit on your bed or stay standing up. By setting your alarm, putting your alarm far from your bed, you actually wake up, get moving, and it's just way harder to just fall back asleep. Way easier to wake up, okay? Number 3, wake up and stay awake, that is. Number 3, have a specific morning routine. Every single morning when I wake up, the first thing that I do is I have a big glass of water, okay? And that's my morning routine. And then I have a few other things that I do after that, obviously. You know, like I have 4 young kids, so my morning routine consists a lot of preparing their breakfast, helping them get ready in the morning and so forth, getting them ready / helping them get ready and so forth. With that being said, you need to have a morning routine that you follow every single morning, okay? Number 4, wake up with a to-do list. Now, you don't actually need like an actual list, although I do recommend it, but basically you want to wake up with tasks on your mind. That means that you're waking up knowing what you want to do. The task might be playing video games or going to the bathroom or taking a shower, but you need to have a purpose. You need to wake up and have a purpose. It doesn't have to be something productive, but you need to wake up and have a purpose, okay? So wake up with a to-do list. Number 5, turn on the lights as soon as you wake up or open up the curtains, whatever it takes to get some light into the room, into the area, okay? So when I wake up, I go from mine and my wife's bedroom downstairs, and then as soon as I get into the kitchen, I turn on all the lights. And you know, it's bright and my eyes are like this, but I wake up way faster, way more easily because I turn on those lights. Don't disturb your whole household by turning on lights where other people are sleeping, but turn on lights that aren't going to affect anyone else, okay? Lastly is number 6, which is try to avoid sugar close to bedtime. Sugar stimulates your body, meaning when you're trying to fall asleep, you're not going to get a good night's sleep. I am, not the greatest with this rule. I will have ice cream before bed, cookies before bed, sugary cereal before bed, a couple times a week, a few times a week, 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a week. So this is something that I personally need to work on, but I know that it harms my sleep. So if you really want to make it easier to wake up early, to get used to waking up early, avoid sugar close to bedtime. I mean, you can have dessert after dinner, but avoid sugar like within a few hours before bedtime. That's it. It's actually easier than you think. If you follow these 6 steps, you'll be on the right path to getting used to waking up early. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.